Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. That old Spanish witch. Full story. This story is about a 73-year-old Spanish woman who allegedly wants to send her neighbor to the grave because of a house. A young woman, let's call her Matika, bought her first house in 2020, and ever since then, it has been pure terror. The old neighbor has sprinkled powder on Matika's porch and has thrown bread in her yard, feeding black birds that usually eat flesh. The old neighbor also invoked the black birds on Matika's roof and keeps putting OB-affixed stuff on her fence. She even overheard the old woman, who she refers to as the old witch, saying that she's going to get someone real good in her own way. Matika instantly reported her to the cops and they warned her, but she lied to the police. They could have locked her up right there. That old witch threw a powder on Matika's porch to burn her feet. She stepped in it and it burned like crazy. She had to call strong prayer warriors to help pray it away. Matika even caught the old witch on camera, putting harassing notes in her mailbox. It is believed that old witch took the life of every single person who ever lived in the house before Matika. There is also a strong curse on the house. It didn't affect Matika because she's a strong praying woman who bought her house in Jesus' holy name. That curse caused other home buyers to turn away from the house. She has been sending fallen angels to end Matika's life since she bought the house. The fallen angels are big long demons that is not of God. Those demons came from out of Hell's Gate. This old witch wicked to the bone, carrying out sacrifices on innocent, unsuspecting victims. Many people's lives were ended because they are moving up in life. A wife and husband also passed away by the hands of this old Spanish witch. The same year Matika bought the house. In addition to the old witch's demons, there are also some DUPPY wearing old clothes from slavery days, white, evil DUPPYs, trying to send Matika to the grave. Either they haunt the 94-year-old house, or the old witch sends slave owner demons to scare Matika because she's black, as some sort of sick joke, or both. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.